This is sobuz. I will telling about this quality management system and QMS. What is this QMS and quality management system? Now I will telling about this. So you will first visit my YouTube channel, just subscribe and stay with me. Now let's get started now. Quality management system in garments manufacturing. A quality management system helps a factory to coordinate and industries and organizations focus activities, meet buyer requirements and improve this effectiveness and efficiency on a calculations basic quality control and improvement. Good quality management can guide for factory to this right part of quality goal. To keep standard of report garments quality, a good quality management system should be important. Key factors: garments quality management, proper reporting, state management inspection, materials inspection, approved trim cut, keeping pattern log, liability and evaluation report, calibrate machine, process and manpower. Follow SOP and keeping versions names. Valorize quality tools, sample and materials. Process audit or actual inspection. Keeping packing approval, geographics, station, restriction, review quality results and tracking corrective action. Training and evaluate QC. Internal, pre-final. What is before final inspection? What is this? Paper reporting. What is this? What is this proper reporting? Quality department's favors. Responsibility is reporting and this tracking action. If the report is doing properly, easy to work on it. Start materials inspection. Most of teams needed raw materials like fabrics, accessories of a garments need to buy from a supplier. So it's important to inspect all raw materials and ask supplier if there are any defects, because once you make a garments, it's also impossible to replace it there fluidly fabrics or trims. Approved trim cards. Following approved trim cards in store: cutting, sewing and finishing. Correct materials and fabrics are joining in every lot. Keeping pattern log, laboratory and evaluation reports. Pattern is a very sensitive standard is to keep a pattern laboratory. Track a change, log a very stores and like before it's after sizing set. Calibrate machine, process and manpower. Yearly or half-yearly calibration of machine to check machine if fixed log. Performing well or not. Way to check calibration by third party or machine supplier of CAD Protar. Fabric inspection materials, fabric inspection machine, shading checking, light box, fusing machine, needle detector machine, pull testing machine and others lab testing machines. Follow SOP and keeping versions names. Follow a SOP of every process and sections. Keeping SOP change, log and version name. ISO method is a keep SOP version name. Visualize quality tools, sample and materials. Visualization all quality tools, analysis and quality materials will make answers about everyone's preference and responsibilities will help to take discussion easily. Process audit or actual inspection. Inspection garments by actual audit system before moving garments to next step and process to check process accurately. Processing good from every section is processing in audit. If audit fail, goods back for reprocessing. Keeping packing approval. A system to approve a garments by authorized persons, buyer, QC, merchandiser or QA manager before start packing of ferry lot. Zero defect station. Step up zero defect solution by through 100% garment quality inspection a swing of finishing. Review quality result and taking corrective action. Review every section quality result by a daily or weekly basis and tracking corrective action to help and improve in this feature. A general meeting can be called with related production and maintenance department and giving responsibilities to improve quality as a part of corrective action. Training and evaluation QC. Training and evaluation QC. Training is one of the major part garments quality management. Cover site, quality control status and ends with training. Continuity training of whole quality team about various quality materials and evaluation their understanding. Internal pre-final audit before final inspection. Pre-final audit or audit before final quality inspection. Produce as per final inspection. Produce to confirm final inspection will be processed by every lot. Garments quality. Every buyer has its own quality manual or procedure. A standard quality procedure should maintain onto this garment's manufacturing quality in this reach up to this mark in quality control every person related to approved manufacturing. Every person related to approval manufacturing needs to know about garments quality procedure. Easily understand who work is this quality department. Here I will lot general garments quality control procedure as this garments manufacturing. From cutting and finishing, that's how I do maintain quality procedure. Garments quality control procedure. Checking fabrics, trims and accessories as per buyer requirement. Make size set. Checking fabric trims and accessories as per buyer requirement. Make size set sample at review in PP meetings. Pattern correction by a size set garments measurement. Cut 300 pieces as per pilot run from this wall size set regions after this PP meeting, and this wall size set measurement is this correct, then processor as this cut of bulk. Need pattern laboratory of this a printed pattern is a cut from. If fabric shrinkage difference is more than 2%, a different pattern will be made. Inserting at this that fabric accessories as per constellation key to this process bulk, then start cutting. Cutting will be started after buyer QC approval of bulk cutting. Ensure wall cut parts should be double checked with pattern maintained or records per as SOP. Wall cut panels to be quality inspected before inputting to this swing section. checking fabrics bundling state with this interlining after this fusing at a temperature record with Trinal prepare. Keeping go by sample for every running sample. This confirm garments styling is accurate as per sample. Ensure wall marking institute should be invisible, easily pen and checking mark pencil. Use light mark, but it should be able daily basis. Follow up to well leakage from this machine from where this bolting paper or this fabric under where this process route. Also double check all this machine inside have any extra needle by this managed.